This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Tons of space in this 5-bedroom/3-bath on large lot, fresh paint and new flooring, updated kitchen with new cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances, primary bedroom with private bath, versatile floor plan with 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and family room on first floor, second floor, living room, kitchen, primary suite, plus 2 additional bedrooms/1 bath. Off-street parking, 2-car detached garage, and private backyard. Established neighborhood convenient to shopping, dining, and easy access to I-64 and I-664. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.